Kyocera Cutting Tools, new products. Introducing the MRW Radius Cutter with new insert grades for machining difficult-to-cut materials. The high-efficiency MRW Radius Cutter has the following advantages. An economical double-sided 8-edge insert. The obtuse edge design of the MRW insert balances low cutting force and edge strength. The helical cutting edge design with a maximum axial rake of plus 12 degrees reduces cutting forces to those equivalent to positive inserts. Comparison of cutting force. MRW shows low cutting force and chatter-free machining. Also, MRW provides stable milling as it holds inserts firmly with the flat lock binding mechanism. 3 chip breakers, general milling GM, low cutting force SM, and heavy milling GH are available for use in various types of milling. The new CBD grade CA6535 is suitable for nickel-based heat-resistant alloys and martensitic stainless steel. CA6535 has good performance with excellent wear resistance as shown. The new PVD-coated grade PR1535 is suitable for titanium alloys and precipitation-hardened stainless steel. PR1535 provides longer tool life and stable machining due to Megacoat Nano. The MRW is suitable for various workpiece materials with 4 insert grades, PR1510, PR1525, PR1535, and CA6535. The high-efficiency Radius Cutter MRW with double-sided multi-edge inserts improves milling dramatically.